Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna see the cutest animal. I know it says right there cute animals, but we're gonna say it in the microphone. It's easier. It's like just clicking. The microphone is right next to my finger, so cute animal.
Animals mentioned on the web include dog, cat, red panda, and others.
Okay. That's not cute. Okay, that's cute. I don't even know if they're real. Okay, cute but kind of creepy. Nah. There you go. Okay. Yeah, but the koala looks kind of fake. Okay, that's fake. Okay. Okay, that's fake. Okay, that's a real thing, I think. How are they not getting spikes? Okay, this. You know it's not real. Yeah, I'm definitely buying these because of this cute that the tiger actually looks so cute. Okay, what? Okay, that's a lazy eye. These are also cute by now. Hey, I saw this painting before. What? This is not Ninja Turtles. Okay, that's actually so cute even though it looks fake. Okay, that's fake. That looks fake, but also kind of real. How's this weird? Like, guinea pigs? Okay, that kind of looks kind of creepy. Okay, I'm gonna show you if you want to see this. I'll give you some time. Okay, there you go. I'll give you some time to look at it. I did not know they can have hair. Look at there. Kind of creepy. Okay, I know this been really. Let's start from here. These are the bunnies. I forgot what they called. The red pandas. Oh, the rabbits. I forgot how to say animal. Okay, why do I keep forgetting how to say this word? This word right there when I'm highlighting. Why? Now this is a cute animal plushies. The dog is cute. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not an animal, but kind of cute actually. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, this is actually, I see this before. Nah. Okay. Cute animal right there. Let's search up. I'll show you. Let's search up cat. Cat plushie. Okay, I know they have F-mouth. Like, what? I thought Chromie was like a demon, but no. Oh, that looks so real. I thought me, Eric, or I thought you. Gosh. Okay, what was the other animal I just saw? Oh my gosh, what? Okay, cats. I don't know how to. Plushy giraffes. Okay, good thing I said it right. Okay. These Did not look cute. Why did this look so real? Why does this one look so real? Okay, now Red Panda plushie. Okay. Is this so? That's literally the movie Red Panda. Where's the one I always wanted to buy? Pink. Oh, there it is. This is the one I'm gonna buy, even though it's not even red, but still, it's cute. That does not look like a panda. That is literally a normal panda. Okay, let's just not mention stuff. So, wait, I'm gonna end the video. Okay, if you keep like trying to find me, well, this is how you spell it. My YouTube channel. That's how you spell it if you keep losing me and you're watching this video right now. You need to find a good spot to, actually no, I'm not gonna end the video. Okay, yes, I'm really a bad voice actor, yes. Oh yeah, my friend is playing that game. Yeah, but sorry. Should we get the Demon Slayer characters? Yes. I don't know some Demon Slayer characters. I don't know how to spell them, okay? Don't blame me, okay? If I don't know it. It's the first one gonna be next grade. Yep, it is. Let's go. Say Mexico. Oh man. Tanjiro. Then he's. How do you spell his name? No, what the heck? Get me out of here. Oh. I'm gonna go to Shinobu. Wait, can I just say Shinobu? Shinobu. Oh. You. Wait a minute. What? No. Okay, this is gonna. Why am I the only one? Okay, let's play Murder Mystery. So now I'm so obsessed with this. Wait, why did I click on this one? I'm the only one. Yes, I do watch Ibella. I'm gonna hear coins. She's guarding the gun. Bro. Okay. Okay, this here was level 33, 69, 62, 90, 69, which is me, 58, 53, 56, 39, 30. Fire dances on someone's head. She's dodging. I have no idea what to say. So it's the end of this video. I'll make a part 2, okay? I promise. Maybe let me just find a good pose. Here we go with my pizza. So that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoy. Bye. If you don't, then I'm gonna make this voice. You don't hear it? No? Yes? Okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay, it's gonna haunt you in your dreams. Okay, anyways, bye. Yum, yum, yum.